I got it.
Oh, sorry. Yep.
Well done.
That's the first. That's the first direct action, really, apart from what we've been doing, seeing.
Well, no, yeah. I don't know, for this lady here and her kids that were killed in Irpin today, it really affected me last night, and I'm doing it for them, and I just want to handle the details of those. So I want the ambassador and his colleagues to
Good man.
Well done.
leave
Well
this
done.
country, leave this free country, so it is, and go back to Poland where he has no freedom.
Very well done.
I am from Poland.
No, I'm from Ireland.
Ireland.
Egypt.
In Ireland, we like justice.
Thank you.
That's why I wanted to know. I wanted nothing to happen. I wanted nothing to happen to anybody.
No, you're very good.
It's about time we stood up.
It is really.
And we're all sleeping on our couches,
And we should get rid of the ambassador.
cozy in
and
our
all
own
this.
houses,
Yeah.
and we have to do something.
Absolutely.
I'm a working man.
Absolutely.
We have to get rid of the ambassador
That's my
and all this
contribution
killers.
today. And I'm glad I done it. And
Fair play
I'm
to
going to be
you.
arrested now shortly, so you can let the cameras know that that's why I did it.
We stand with you. Will you give us your name, please?
Desmond Wisley.
Desmond
Wisely.
Wisley.
Yeah, so
We
there you
stand
go.
with you. We will
Desmond,
keep
you're
supporting you.
incredible.
Desmond, well done.
Yeah, no bother, yeah.
I have to arrest you, unfortunately, for dangerous driving, alright? You come back to the back of the
Yeah, I
car.
was going to give you this card before I go. That was the woman there, and her two kids were killed by a bar. I've done it for her, alright?
Alright. Come on up to me.
Okay, I don't mind it, lads. What time of the rest of Ireland done there?
Yeah, well done.
Well done, Desmond.
You're here.
Send the ambassador home.
Yes, that's what we want.
Saying for a week we have to send the ambassador home.
Absolutely.